This is why you need an intervention for snoring. The intervention begins. Friends and family have gathered, sleep-deprived and desperate. They are here because they care about their sleep. Your snoring has become an emergency situation, they declare dramatically. They present their evidence: earplugs, pillows, sound recordings. The snorer is baffled. But wait, what's this? The mysterious silent savior arrives. The snorer receives an unseen item off camera, skeptical yet hopeful. Suddenly, silence. The crowd goes wild. Confetti flies, high fives all around. The snorer sleeps peacefully, unaware of the celebratory dance party happening around them. Intervention successful. Bedtime harmony restored. A quiet bedroom is a happy bedroom. Sweet dreams finally guaranteed.